What's happening? Careful.
Now it's going to put the hazards on.
Hazards?
You don't need nothing.
Now you got them. Please, Oh, stop. Give that so people can see us. Careful. Let me see where we're going. These are falling. Ah, my goodness. Do you even see it? I see it. The camera shows the white line better than. That's what I wanted to avoid. Anyways. Trees might keep falling here.
What?
Trees even might fall, branches and stuff. That could have been. Careful, do something.
I can see chicken.
The branches are falling. See, see, I knew it. The whole tree fell. I knew it. Wow. That fell on the wires. Careful. A lot of branches. Just watch your distance with these people. I don't think it's on the road. Oh. You see those? Uh-oh. Something happened.
Oh, wow.
Whoa!
Turn around.
You're turning around.
Something on the road. I guess we can't get through there.
I'm going how?
Oh,
There's police there too.
a big tree. Can't get by.
Oh. Let's wait until they. Yeah, it's a big tree there. We can't go around it at all.
Oh.
Let's see. Some people might be able to go around it. Careful. Just watch you. Slowly. There's stuff on the ground too. Oh wow. Careful, slow down. Please slow down. Slow down, dude. Oh, it's cables and stuff. Oh,
Oh, that's the. I
poles
was thinking
is-
about turning there. That's for the dam,
what was that for?
the Lehigh Dam. That's where the turn was at.
Wow. That was. We missed it by a couple minutes, probably.
One guy turned around. Screw that. We said hell with that.
That's pretty. Keep your distance from these people. Guess the worst of the storm is over. Probably stop this now. Some cables and stuff.
But that person regrets turning around. They realize we didn't.
Well, they wouldn't know, so.
In half a mile, take a slight right.
I was tempted to, but then I saw the other people going.
Well, one guy in front of us was.
Brave enough to try.
Brave
and he made
enough.
it through, and we followed him.
Oh, wow. I'm glad we didn't come a couple minutes before that. Could have fallen on the car, you know. Those trees, they fall like way they can. Sometimes they don't ask who's under them. Okay, I think the rain is almost. Careful here, slow down,
Take a
slow.
slight right. Then you'll take a slight left onto the I-476 North Ramp to Scranton.
Right.
I won't.
I was trying to send you to the highway.
Let's just set it off.
Just don't damage the car.
Oh, he's waving us through, but man.
Just careful. Oh, wow.
Just to try to get rid of the one.
I don't know what they're coming for, but